Shopping for a new recreational vehicle should be a fun experience with minimal stress. With so many different manufacturers, models, and floor plans to choose from, where do you start? One way to narrow down your search is to ensure the manufacturer has a 100% dedicated pre-delivery inspection process. What is a pre-delivery inspection, or PDI for short? When producing an RV, manufacturers build the vehicle on a production line that includes quality assurance measures. These measures can only go so far to ensure the RV will leave the line in pristine condition, so adding another PDI step is critical. Dedicated PDI is when the RV leaves the production facility and is moved to an entirely separate building, where a fresh batch of personnel will recheck all of the components and systems. If any of these fail to perform to optimal levels, the issues are either fixed at the PDI facility or sent back to the production line to be corrected. This 100% dedicated pre-delivery inspection process assures that when the RV shows up on the dealer's lot, that it is in the best possible working order when you are ready to purchase it.